Hello everybody and welcome back. So today we are going to be revisiting a product, Screen Protech. I know what you're thinking, this is not a TRX, what did I do, upgrade? No, that's actually just around the corner. But this is my buddy's 2013 Toyota Avalon. He got it a couple of weeks ago, and there is a slight issue. The screens were very scratched up in this. So I shot him in the direction of Screen Pro, and today that's what we're going to be doing, is installing the screen protectors on obviously the gauge cluster and the infotainment system. And I'm not going to do a in-depth install. If you're interested in a full install video, please go check that out. Link will be down below. We're basically just want to get a before and after of how much difference that these screen protectors actually do make, and how much it can really enhance the look of the vehicle and the screens. So it's going to be more of a before and after. I will do a slow time lapse of the install, but yeah, let's get into it. So before I proceed, I just want to do a quick side-by-side comparison. So this is one side of the gauge cluster without, and I just installed the protector on this side. You can see it is a complete night and day. So the install is complete. I will throw up a couple other shots of just after I was doing it. And I do have to say that the transformation is quite incredible. So there is one thing to note. The kit was for a 2015 Toyota Avalon, and this is a 2013. So the protectors fit perfectly on the gauge cluster. As you can see, there's no lines. It looks very good. But when you switch over here to the infotainment system, it wasn't quite big enough. There's a slight line where the screen protector stops. So I'm guessing that if this was a 2015, that would fit perfectly. It might just be a slight difference in between the 13 and the 15, but yes, overall it definitely made this interior look so much better, and it is a transformation from what it used to be. So if you're interested or want to take your screens that are all scratched up and make them look like new again, definitely go check out the link below. Also use the promo code at the bottom of the screen to get yourself 10% off of your purchase. Thank you for watching.